We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the Atrippy Anime Wall Tapestry for bedroom, a popular decorative piece that has attracted attention for its unique anime-inspired design and black aesthetic appeal. This tapestry measures 51 by 60 inches, a size that many users find versatile enough to fit various room settings, from bedrooms to living rooms, and even party spaces. It is made from premium polyester fiber, which is smooth, lightweight, and odorless, making it suitable for diverse uses such as wall hanging, bed sheets, or tablecloths. The design features selected animation characters printed with high-definition technology, resulting in vivid and lifelike patterns that appeal especially to anime fans and those who enjoy trippy, psychedelic art styles. Users consistently praise the tapestry for its striking visual impact, particularly when illuminated by a black light. The glow effect under black light enhances the colors and details, creating an impressive and immersive atmosphere. Many reviewers highlight that the tapestry looks even better in this setting, making it a great choice for parties or rooms with mood lighting. The size is often described as larger than expected, which adds to its value and presence in a room. The vibrant colors and the overall aesthetic contribute to a cool, hippie-inspired vibe that fits well with modern, youthful decor. However, some users note that the material feels a bit cheap or heavier than anticipated, which may require additional pins or hooks to hang securely. While the polyester fabric is durable and easy to clean, it is somewhat thick and can be heavier than standard tapestries, which might affect installation depending on the wall surface. The quality of the print is generally good, but a few reviewers mention that the pattern can appear slightly blurry compared to online images. Despite this, the overall impression remains positive, with many buyers satisfied with the look and feel of the tapestry once it is up on the wall. The tapestry comes with an installation package and a simple tutorial, making it accessible even for those who are not experienced with hanging wall art. This ease of use is a plus for many customers who want to quickly enhance their space without complicated setup. Additionally, the tapestry is easy to maintain. It can be washed by hand or machine in cold or warm water, but users are advised to avoid hot water or prolonged sun exposure to preserve the colors and fabric integrity. From a gifting perspective, the tapestry is considered a thoughtful present for anime enthusiasts, teenagers, or anyone who appreciates unique room decor. Several reviewers mentioned buying it for family members or friends who love the design and quality. The combination of anime elements and trippy art makes it a standout piece that can personalize a room and reflect the owner's interests and style. In summary, the Atrippy Anime Wall Tapestry offers a visually captivating and versatile decoration option with a distinctive black aesthetic and anime theme. It excels in creating an engaging atmosphere, especially under black light, and is praised for its size and vibrant colors. While the material may feel heavier and the print slightly less sharp than expected, these minor drawbacks do not overshadow the overall appeal and value of the tapestry. It is recommended for those looking to add a bold, artistic touch to their living space or for gifting to anime fans. If you own this tapestry, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Remember, the product link is in the description and using it supports the channel.